warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Marka from 4H. Today I'm going to tell you about my cod recipe. This is a drink for if you cod it, it will make it better. Let's start. Our ingredients are lemongrass, ginger. You can use white ginger or red ginger, but honey, lemon, and water. Let's start making them. First, we are going to boil some water. While waiting the water to get boiled, we're going to smash some lemongrass and ginger. Let's start. It's kind of hard. It's so big. Boiled. Now let's put in our ingredients: lemongrass and the ginger. Now let's wait it to get boiled again. Our tea has boiled. Now let's strain it in this glass. Carefully. Enough. That's enough. In the stove. Next, we are going to pour honey. Mix it well. After adding the honey, we are going to add the lemon. I already squeezed this lemon. That's enough. Let's stir it well again. And my cup, and the drink is done. It's so hot. Okay, let's try this drink. This drink is better when you drink it when it's raining or when it's really cold outside. Okay, let's try it. Bismillah. Delicious. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.